Now, I've been waiting for these motorized blinds for a long time. They support Matter and a rechargeable battery pack. They're incredibly quiet, as you can hear. And I feel like they're reasonably priced. They're just awesome. These are great blinds. Now, installation is a snap. You just need to put on the two brackets, one on either side of your window, and the blinds clip right in. And don't worry if you didn't get them in exactly the right spot. You can always slide them to where you need them to be. Now, you will need at least one remote. As you can see, I got two blinds. Now, this will let you set the upper and lower limits of the blind by going into the admin mode and just kind of pushing the button, following the instruction. Super quick and easy. Some of the other modes are initiated by pushing and holding the button on the motor side of the controller, USB-C charger. So you really can't go wrong. Setup is super quick. Once you have the upper and lower limits set, you'll have to take and scan the QR code, and that's how you pair it with your home hub. Now, I had no trouble setting these things up under Homey Pro. You can see the two blinds are both here, and the click button for the open and close is right there. I think you can set you can set the degree of how open or how closed you want the blinds. I haven't used them at all for that. Either they're closed or they're open. So although you can operate these blinds with the remote, if you're already looking at Matter blinds, you're probably just like me where you don't want the remote function anyway. It's kind of clunky, not great. If you look at the blind behind me, like it'll move, but it's not like a one touch down or a one touch up. It just kind of slowly increments its way. So that's not the way to go with these. These hooked up to a smart hub are totally awesome. I don't touch them at all. Now, the reason why this is extremely handy if you put it on a smart home is as soon as you turn the TV back there on, you can have it set to automatically just go ahead and close the blinds for you. And when you're done watching TV or the room occupancy is empty, they'll automatically come up. So it's just really nice and handy. Now, we did need to make a warranty claim on the one, and that wasn't by no fault of the company. The courier just damaged the package and bent one of the valances on the far blind. We reached out to the company, sent them a picture, and they offered to immediately replace the whole blind. And I asked them if they would just send the valance, and I would just change the valance out. It was all of 4 screws, took me 5 minutes. I don't feel like the company needs to foot the bill for something like that going wrong with the courier. And they were more than happy. Within 2 days, I think it was, we had a new valance. Swapped it out, done deal. Now it's in perfect, brand new condition. It's always really nice to see when a company just offers good support, reaches out. I mean, it's got a review right now on Amazon of 4.8. Yeah, so there's no mystery to me how they got that review. Now, not only are the measurements customizable, you can put this on the inside or the outside of the window, whatever you choose to do. You can pick whatever fabrics that you like, or whatever color that you want. They are 100% blackout as advertised. But one really nice thing is that you can actually choose which side the motor goes on as well. Now, that's kind of nice for me because I've got the one on this side and the other motor is on this side. And the same side that the motor is on, that's also where the USB power charging port is. So this lets me just take one of my long power cords is literally right here. And I can just take this and reach this to either window and charge them up. Now, how long they last on a charge, that's going to be a mystery to me. So far, we've had them for about 2.5, 3 weeks. And I tried them the other day just to plug it in to see if it would take another charge. And they still just give me a green light. So I'm suspecting they're probably going to last somewhere around 6 months. That'd be my guess for the use that we have, maybe longer. Now, about the only thing I would do differently is if I were to order these again. I do like that I put them on the outside, but I'd probably go a little bit bigger yet. I think I would have overlapped. My wife really likes them this way, and yeah, I think they do kind of fit in really nice this way, but I would have liked them to go maybe just a couple of inches over. So whatever measurements you guys put in there, just, I don't know, I'd like them a little bit bigger. She likes them the way that they are. whatever. To each their own, I guess. Now, for other viewers that were looking for matter blinds, I highly recommend these. They're great. Set them up with a hub. Don't use the remote, and I think you'll absolutely love them. Just use the remote to set these things up. You just need one for however many blinds you get.